Assalamualaikum, class 7th, the revision of numbers. Question number 9. Compute the following. The first is fifth power of minus 2. So it can be written as the fifth power of minus 2. So minus 2 can be written as 5 times minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 and multiplied by minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because the power is fifth power of minus 2. So minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus and plus minus minus. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 2s are 32. So minus 32 is the answer. Part number 2. Students, part number 2 is minus 1 raised to the power of 10. So minus 1 raised to the power of 10. So minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 by 10 times. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 like 10 times. So the power of minus is minus 1. The power of minus 1 is even. So the answer will be positive and the answer is plus 1. Part number 3 is minus 1 over 2 whole cube multiplied by minus 2 over 3 whole power 4. So when we have to open the power, we can separate the power of the numerator and the denominator. So minus 1 raised to the power 3 can be written as minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 and 2 raised to the power 3, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Minus 2 power 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 and power 3 power 4 can be written as like this. Now minus minus plus plus minus minus 1 over 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8. Minus minus plus plus minus 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 plus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 and 8 to the 16. 3 3 the 9, 9 3 the 27 and 27 3 the 81. Now the possible cutting are 8 1s are 8 and 8 2 the 16. So the answer is minus 2 over 81. Part number 4 is 1 over 4 whole power 0 multiplied by minus 1 over 4 whole power 2. So as we know that a power 0 is equals to 1. So 1 over 4 power 0 is equals to 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 because the power is square 4 multiplied by 4. 1 as it is multiplied by minus minus plus 1 1s are 1, 4 4s are 16. So 1 over 16 is the answer. Question number 10. Which is greater in each pair below? 3 square and 2 cube. So 3 square can be written as 3 multiplied by 3 and 2 cube can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So 9 is greater than 8. So 3 square is greater than 2 cube. Question number 11. Simplify. 0.01 whole power minus 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3. So 0.01 whole power minus 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3. First of all, we have to remove the point and we get the 100 in the denominator while removing the point multiplied by 10 over 1. जिसके denominator में कुछ नहीं होगा, denominator में 1 होता है, 10 raised to power minus 3. Now 1 over 100 we have to positive its power, so we have to take the reciprocal of this value 1 over 100. The reciprocal of 1 over 100 is 100 over 1. Power will become positive, multiply by we have to convert this power into positive, so 1 over 10 raised to power 3. So 100 square can be written as 100 multiplied by 100, 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, that is equals to 1, and 10 multiplied by 3 times. So 100 multiplied by 100 is equals to 10,000 over 10 multiplied by 10 is equals to 100 and 100 multiplied by 10 is equals to 1000. So over 1000. 30 will be cancelled out with this 30 and we get the answer 10. 2 is 0.1 whole cube multiplied by 1 over 2 raised power minus 4. So firstly we have to remove the point and we get the 10 in the denominator, and this we have to positive the power, so we get 2 over 1 whole power will become positive. Now 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 over 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. 2 raised to power 4, so 2 raised to power 4, so 2 can be multiplied by 4 times, and 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. So that is equals to 1 over 1000 multiplied by 16 over 1. That will become 16 over 1000 and we get the answer 0.016. 3 0 है डिनोमिनेटर में, सो 3 नंबर छोड़ के पॉइंट लगेगा, लेकिन ऊपर डिनोमिनेटर में 2 नंबर है, सो 1 0 हम खुद एक्स्ट्रा लगाकर फिर यहाँ पॉइंट लगाएंगे. सो 0.016 और अबाउट द पॉसिबल कटिंग वी गेट द आंसर 4 over 250. The part number 3 is 4 raised to power minus 2 and whole power is 0. So first of all, we have to apply the power rule. Minus 2 multiplied by 0, that is equal to 0. And a raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. So 4 power 0 is equal to 1. Question number 12. By what number should minus 3 whole power minus 2 be multiplied so that the product will be equal to 9? So first of all, we have to let the number x. So what number should be multiplied with this term to get the answer 9? So first of all, we have to make the denominator of this term, that is equals to 1. So minus 3 over 1 whole power minus 2 multiplied by x equals to 9. Now we have to make the power positive. So we have to find the reciprocal of this value, that is 1 over minus 3 whole square multiplied by x is equals to 9. Now 1 multiplied by 1 over minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by x equals to 9. 1 1s are 1, minus minus plus 3 3s are 9 multiplied by x is equals to 9. 9 यहाँ पर इसके साथ डिवाइड हो रहा है, वहाँ जाकर मल्टीप्लाई होगा और आंसर आ जाएगा x इज इक्वल टू 81. ओके स्टूडेंट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 इज सिंप्लीफाई. द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 4 1 over 2. जब हम इस फिक्स्ड फॉर्म को ओपन करेंगे तो 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9 over 2, 9 over 2. Multiply by 3 3s are 9 and 10 11, 11 over 3 divided by 11 over 8 minus 2 over 3. Now we have to remove this division sign, so we have to transfer this division sign into multiplication. So we have to find the reciprocal of 11 over 18, that is equals to 18 over 11 minus 2 over 3. Now the possible cuttings are 11 1s are 11 and 11 1s are 11, 3 1s are 3 and 3 6 are 18. 9 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 1 multiplied by 6 over 1 minus 2 over 3. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 9 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 over 3. 9 3s are 27 minus 2 over 3. Now we have to find the LCM. So the LCM is 3, so we have to make the denominator equals to 3. So 27 multiplied by 3 over 1 multiplied by 3 minus 2 multiplied by 1 over 3 multiplied by 1. 27 3s are 81 over 3 minus 2 1s are 2 over 3 1s are 3. Now the denominators are same. So 81 minus 2, that is equal to 79 over 3 is the answer. Alright students, I hope you will understand this lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.